Question 1. Which process is responsible for the release of energy in living organisms? A. Photosynthesis. B. Respiration. C. Transpiration. D. Excretion. The correct answer is B. Respiration. Question 2. What is the basic unit of life? A. Tissue. B. Organ. C. Cell. D. Organ system. The correct answer is C. Cell. Question 3. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? A. Nucleus. B. Ribosome. C. Mitochondria. D. Golgi apparatus. The correct answer is C. Mitochondria. Question 4. Which tissue transports food in plants? A. Xylem. B. phloem. C. Cambium. D. cortex. The correct answer is B. phloem. Question 5. What is the green pigment present in leaves? A. Chlorophyll. B. Carotene. C. Xanthophyll. D. Anthocyanin. The correct answer is A. Chlorophyll. Question 6. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Nitrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is C. Oxygen. Question 7. Which part of the brain controls voluntary actions? A. Cerebellum. B. Medulla. C. Cerebrum. D. Spinal cord. The correct answer is C. Cerebrum. Question 8. Which blood cells help in clotting of blood? A. RBC. B. WBC. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. The correct answer is C. Platelets. Question 9. Which system is responsible for transportation in humans? A. Digestive system. B. Respiratory system. C. Circulatory system. D. Nervous system. The correct answer is C. Circulatory system. Question 10. Which organ removes nitrogenous wastes from the body? A. Liver. B. Lungs. C. Kidney. D. Heart. The correct answer is C. Kidney. Question 11. What type of respiration occurs in yeast? A. Aerobic. B. Anaerobic. C. Photosynthesis. D. Oxidation. The correct answer is B. Anaerobic. Question 12. Which enzyme is present in saliva? A. Pepsin. B. Trypsin. C. Amylase. D. Lipase. The correct answer is C. Amylase. Question 13. Which hormone regulates blood sugar level? A. Thyroxine. B. Adrenaline. C. Insulin. D. Estrogen. The correct answer is C. Insulin. Question 14. What is the function of stomata? A. Absorption. B. Transportation. C. Gas exchange. D. Reproduction. The correct answer is C. Gas exchange. Question 15. Which part of nephron is involved in filtration? A. Loop of Henle. B. Collecting duct. C. Glomerulus. D. Tubule. The correct answer is C. Glomerulus. Question 16. Which process leads to increase in number of cells? A. Meiosis. B. Diffusion. C. Mitosis. D. Osmosis. The correct answer is C. Mitosis. Question 17. What is the main function of red blood cells? A. Clotting. B. Defense. C. Transport oxygen. D. Digest food. The correct answer is C. Transport oxygen. Question 18. Which structure connects muscles to bones? A. Ligament. B. Tendon. C. Cartilage. D. Joint. The correct answer is B. Tendon. Question 19. Which part of flower develops into fruit? A. Ovule. B. Ovary. C. Petal. D. Sepal. The correct answer is B. Ovary. Question 20. What is the function of bile juice? A. Digest proteins. B. Digest carbohydrates. C. Emulsify fats. D. Absorb nutrients. The correct answer is C. Emulsify fats. Question 21. Which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin D? A. Scurvy. B. Rickets. C. Beriberi. D. Night blindness. The correct answer is B. Rickets. Question 22. Which part of the brain controls balance of the body? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla. D. Hypothalamus. The correct answer is B. Cerebellum. Question 23. Which organ is affected in tuberculosis? A. Liver. B. Brain. C. Lungs. D. Kidney. The correct answer is C. Lungs. Question 24. Which process results in loss of water in plants? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Transpiration. D. Absorption. The correct answer is C. Transpiration. Question 25. Which blood group is known as universal donor? A, B, B, C, AB. D, O. The correct answer is DO. Question 26. Which structure helps in breathing in humans? A. Ribs. B. Diaphragm. C. Lungs. D. Alveoli. The correct answer is B. Diaphragm. Question 27. Which plant hormone promotes cell elongation? A. Auxin. B. Cytokinin. C. Ethylene. D. Abscisic acid. The correct answer is A. Auxin. Question 28. Which disease is caused by Plasmodium? A. Dengue. B. Malaria. C. Typhoid. D. Cholera. The correct answer is B. Malaria. Question 29. What is the genetic material present in chromosomes? A. In RNA. B. Protein. C. DNA. D. Lipid. The correct answer is C. DNA. Question 30. Which process maintains continuity of life on Earth? A. Respiration. B. Nutrition. C. Reproduction. D. Excretion. The correct answer is C. Reproduction. Question 31. Which component of blood transports hormones? A. RBC. B. WBC. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. The correct answer is D. Plasma. Question 32. Which structure increases surface area for absorption in small intestine? A. Villi. B. Alveoli. C. Nephrons. D. Bronchi. The correct answer is A. Villi. Question 33. Which process involves division of nucleus? A. Cytokinesis. B. Diffusion. C. Karyokinesis. D. Osmosis. The correct answer is C. Karyokinesis. Question 34. Which Mendelian ratio is observed in a dihybrid cross? A. 3:1. B. 1:2, 1. C. 9:3, 3:1. D. 1:1. The correct answer is C. 9:3, 3:1. Question 35. Which hormone is secreted by adrenal gland? A. Insulin. B. Thyroxine. C. Adrenaline. D. Growth hormone. The correct answer is C. Adrenaline. Question 36. Which part of human ear is responsible for hearing? A. Semicircular canals. B. Cochlea. C. Eustachian tube. D. Auditory nerve. The correct answer is B. Cochlea. Question 37. Which type of reproduction produces genetically identical offspring? A. Sexual. B. Asexual. C. Cross-pollination. D. Fertilization. The correct answer is B. Asexual. Question 38. Which disease is caused by deficiency of iodine? A. Anemia. B. Goiter. C. Rickets. D. Scurvy. The correct answer is B. Goiter. Question 39. Which organelle is involved in protein synthesis? A. Lysosome. B. Ribosome. C. Vacuole. D. Centrosome. The correct answer is B. Ribosome. Question 40. Which process converts glucose into energy without oxygen? A. Aerobic respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Anaerobic respiration. D. Transpiration. The correct answer is C. Anaerobic respiration. Question 41. Which chamber of heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body? A. Right atrium. B. Right ventricle. C. Left atrium. D. Left ventricle. The correct answer is D. Left ventricle. Question 42. Which tissue provides mechanical support to plants? A. Parenchyma. B. Collenchyma. C. Sclerenchyma. D. Phloem. The correct answer is C. Sclerenchyma. Question 43. Which part of flower produces male gametes? A. Ovary. B. Anther. C. Stigma. D. Sepal. The correct answer is B. Anther. Question 44. Which disease is transmitted by female Anopheles mosquito? A. Dengue. B. Malaria. C. Chikungunya. D. Filariasis. The correct answer is B. Malaria. Question 45. Which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? A. Veins. B. Capillaries. C. Arteries. D. Venules. The correct answer is C. Arteries. Question 46. Which structure regulates entry and exit of substances in cell? A. Cell wall. B. Nucleus. C. Cell membrane. D. Cytoplasm. The correct answer is C. Cell membrane. Question 47. Which disease affects insulin production? A. Cancer. B. Diabetes. C. Tuberculosis. D. Asthma. The correct answer is B. Diabetes. Question 48. Which process is responsible for movement of water across membrane? A. Diffusion. B. Transpiration. C. Osmosis. D. Active transport. The correct answer is C. Osmosis.